Zoe, where's Toby? Toby! Toby! Come here, Toby! Come here, Tobers! Toby, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, where is he? Where is he? Zoe. Come on, Toby. Toby. What are you doing? Do you need to be carried? Toby. And why's the pillow on the floor? Be nice. What's going on? Huh? You better watch it, Zoe. He's not one to be messed with right now. Zoe. Zoe. Toby. Be sweet. Zoe. Leave his bum alone. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Toby. Let's go outside. Come on. Hang on. Walking backwards. Walking backwards. Geyser. Toby. Lexi. Zoe. Zoe, you want to go outside? Do you have a kitty from the garage sale? All right, let's go.
Hi.